Welcome again to Dataport Analytics. Today we are going to learn about the basic commands in Stata or the basic Stata commands. So there are various commands that are used in Stata to conduct the analysis or to conduct various statistical analysis. So we shall be looking at these commands. So this tutorial has several lessons, and these lessons will be covering the basic Stata commands. So under this tutorial we shall be learning the basic Stata commands that are used in loading and exploring data, the basic Stata commands used in data cleaning and manipulation, the basic Stata commands used in filtering and sorting data, the basic Stata commands used in generating and modifying variables, filtering and sorting data, and also the basic statistical command. So to start with, let us look at the loading and exploring data. The various Stata commands that are used when you are loading or you are exploring data. So the first one is the command used in opening a dataset. So the command used in opening a dataset is this one here, which is called system use auto. So we are saying that this one loads the data. It loads the built-in auto data into Stata. So when you click this, or when you use this command, you load the data that is already installed in Stata into the Stata interface. Another one that we can look at is the command used to view the data. We used the command called browse. We use the command called browse to view the data. So when you use this command, you can view the data, and we are saying it opens a spreadsheet style viewer. So it opens the data that you are working on in form of a spreadsheet. And then the last one that we should look at in this category is checking the data structure, or the command used to check the data structure. And there are two major commands. The first one is describe and the second one is summarize. So we are saying that describe shows the variable details and summarize provides summary statistics. So let us look at these commands in action. Let us look at them in action. So let us first of all clear the data that we have. You should note that when you want to clear the data in the database, you use the command clear. You'll be able to clear the data that is found in the variable window. So what you do to load the data, we said that we use system use. So we use this sysuse. It means system, you write it in short form, sys size use, and the data that we want to use that is found in the Stata system is called auto. So when you click on that, when you click enter, then that data is automatically loaded into Stata. So you can be able to see that data here. It is the same case. So let us clear this data and try to import it from using the command, using the interface. So we can come here into file, example dataset, then you click here, and then you can be able to see this data we are importing is called auto. So if you click use, then that data is automatically loaded into Stata. You can see it is the same command. We have used system use auto.dte. So we have loaded that data again. So we can use either this command system or size system use auto, or you load the data from the data tab. The other variable that we have learned about is browse. If you write browse and then you click enter, then the data that you are using will be automatically be loaded in form of a spreadsheet. You can see the data has been displayed in form of a spreadsheet. You can be able to scroll, you can be able to see the variables that you are using on top. You can be able to see the sample size is 74. You can be able to see the various variables that you are using at the top. And the first row is the variable names, and on the left side you can be able to see the variable window. You can see the variable names and the variable labels. So another command that we have learned about, is the command describe. So if we describe a variable, if let's say we describe a variable price, describe a variable price. So you write the command describe, then followed by the variable that you want to describe, and then you click enter. So it describes or it gives the details of that particular variable. So you can see the variable name, the storage type, the display format, the variable, and the variable label. So it gives the describe gives the details of that particular variable. Let us describe another variable. So you write the command describe, then you put in the variable. You see the variable length, and then you click enter. Then you can see the details of that particular variable. The variable name is length, the storage is an integer, so the display format, the variable is not there, the variable is length in inches. Another thing that we have run, or the command that we have run, is command summarize. So we summarize, let's summarize variable price, then you click enter. So it gives the summary statistics. It gives the summary statistics of that particular variable. So you can be able to see the variable name is price, the number of observations are 74, the mean is 61.65, 6165.257, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. Let's also summarize another variable length. Then you can be able to see the observations, means, standard deviation, mean and maximum, minimum and maximum. So one thing that I want you to note is that this word summarize can be written in short form sum. Instead of writing the whole name summarize, you can write it in short form sum, and then you click the variable, then you click enter, and you can see both summarize and sum commands are giving us similar information. They are giving us similar summary statistics. So these are the 4 commands that are basically used when you are reading and when you are exploring your data. So in the next video, we are going to look at the commands that are used when you are cleaning the data and when you are manipulating the data. So make sure to check the next video. Thank you.